This is a short meditation to clear the clutter around your head and bring in the new energies of this full moon of December 18th, 2021. The opportunity of this last full moon of the year to set our intentions for the new year and what we desire now. Please close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel it slowing down. Bring your awareness to your heart chakra. Feel your breath as you breathe through the heart chakra area. Feel your heart expand with every intake of breath. And let a calm wash over you on the exhale. Bring your awareness to the area around your shoulders and head. Notice all the chaos or chaotic thoughts, energy, or feelings that accumulate there. Your intention is to release all the thoughts that are stuck here. Release any thoughts from yourself or the ones you have picked up from others. See all the thoughts lift off into the light that is all around you. You are releasing their hold on you and releasing your attachment on them. Once you sense the quietness of having all the thoughts released, bring your awareness to the back of your head, the back of your third eye chakra. Notice the silence there. Now bring your heart awareness to your heart. Stay there for a minute and sense the opening of your heart. Here we will bring in the affirmations of the full moon. I release what is no longer serving me. I open up to receive my highest good. I surrender all fears and doubts. I release all lower vibrational frequencies. I allow life to flow through me freely. All obstacles on my path are effortlessly removed with ease and grace. I am open to receiving the abundance of opportunities that are flowing to me. I release pain and suffering as a means to grow. I release all beliefs, relationships, and people that no longer serve my highest good. I let go of all that is not in alignment with my purpose. I allow myself to receive all that I desire. I activate the river of joy that flows through me. Sit with these feelings of activation and releasing. Call on the new moon, the full moon, for what you intend to release. Now is the time. And so it is. It is done. Namaste.